Hey Fruit Faces, it's Klaireeberry. I'm back in the kitchen here with a little grocery haul. I actually did a haul earlier today. It was the tiniest haul ever. So I basically just got stuff for the kids. And then there is one or two things that I got from them on this haul. But this haul that I'm doing for you right now is pretty much raw. It's a raw haul. This is probably the first I'm telling you about my new endeavor, going raw again, trying to go raw again. I've done this before. I feel like I'm a little bit crazy. Like when I went vegan, I did it 2 or 3 days before New Year's. So it's like kind of odd timing, you know. And I think I've tried raw numerous times at this time of year. I'm not sure what it is about it. I might have to look back at some of my old videos and see, but I don't feel like I've ever done raw maybe correctly. I was just saying I'll do a different video on exactly kind of what is making me want to go raw again, why I'm going raw, because that'll take up quite a bit of time, and I just, especially since my phone is messing up right now, I just really want to kind of show you guys what I got. So first raw vegan haul this year at least. So let me just show you. Let me just jump right in and show you guys what I. How many pounds? 5 pounds? Yeah, 5-pound bag of carrots. Got 2 of these. And I don't know the prices off the top of my head, so if you happen to want to know, just ask. Okay, these are raw shelled hemp hearts. I probably won't be buying these from Sprouts. I didn't say, but Sprouts is where I went. Probably won't be buying these from Sprouts because I don't think this is a great price for these. 10 ounces was about 10 bucks. I just said I wasn't going to do prices, but I do know that because I was looking for the 8-ounce bag, which was like 7. They didn't have those. I got a bunch of red peppers. Didn't bring the right amount of sacks, so I had to get plastic for that. But it will be recycled. These, I don't know if you guys have noticed, cuties and clementines and all this stuff seems to have been just gone up so much. Even at Walmart, I see they're like $7, $8, or more dollars now for a bag. These, I think they are going to need to be used. They're feeling, some of them are feeling a little bit soft, but all together good. And these are only $3 each. So I love that. Went ahead and got the old bananas. They actually did not have a lot of bananas. So I think I grabbed 4 or 5 bunches of organic bananas. They just look so much better. They're not on the Dirty Dozen, which I try to definitely follow. But there's 3 small bunches here. And then I think I might, yeah, I have more in a different bag. So got some elephant garlic. Double check, make sure it's not from China. It's from Florida. So a couple bucks there. Ginger. Medjool dates. $8 for these for a pound. A lot of rice, a lot of couscous, a lot of cornmeal, just a lot of real basic stuff. And I was prepared to make it work, but I had already known that I'd want to go raw. I've been doing all this research about going raw, and I just really was kind of bummed out earlier. And so now that I have all this food like with me, I swear you guys, this is like an otherworldly experience. I mean, if you know me, if you've seen a lot of my grocery hauls, you know that I get really excited for food, to go to the store and get a bunch of especially really healthy food. But this is like on a different level because I'm like feeling the vibrations of these foods, and it's like calling to me, and I'm so excited. And one thing that I'm particularly excited for is the celery. I have not read a lot or watched a lot of videos about people's experience with medical medium, but I did watch Banana Blondie's response to Bonnie Rebecca, and wow, blew me away, made a lot of sense. And so I was like, okay, you know what? And I've been seeing a lot of people say, oh yeah, so-and-so I knew is doing celery juice, or I'm doing celery juice and I feel great and it's done this. And it's just like one of those things that I don't feel like you can really ignore. So I got a bunch of celery. I got basically about $20, about $18 worth of celery. I did not get the organic celery. There was only 2 bunches of celery left that were organic, and they honestly just didn't look that good. So these looked great, and hoping for the best. So I think I got about, she said 12 bunches, so $1.50 each. And let's see what else. I got 3 bunches of spinach. Spinach really, I go through phases where it really calls my name, and this is one of those times. It's probably my favorite, absolute favorite vegetable to put in smoothies, true vegetable anyway. And I'm just feeling like I just need to get some of this in my body like right now, like yesterday, you know what I mean? So that is really exciting. And I think that spinach is also kind of on the medical medium protocol. I've done, just like I said, a very light amount of research and watching this and that. And I think spinach is a good thing here. And then I got cilantro. Again, obviously, cilantro is like one of my favorite things. It's already on my list, but then I think it's in the detox smoothie, like the main detox smoothie for medical medium that I've seen. So I'll be interested to try that out in this smoothie with blueberries and bananas, because I don't think I ever have done that before. So that'll be interesting. I only got one bunch of that. And then I got, more bananas, some very small bunch of bananas. And then some limes, lemons. I was gonna get limes, but I went ahead. These just look so much bigger and juicier. So I just went ahead and got those 2 for $1. Got, 6 or so of those. And now I'm curious. 3, 6, 8. Got 8 lemons. I can't talk. I need some celery juice, LOL. So went ahead and got some wild blueberries. I usually was planning on doing the strawberries from Costco in my smoothies every morning, but because I'm hearing so much about blueberries, both from Dr. Greger and from Medical Medium, I'm really thinking, blueberries right now. And then I think one more bag here. Yeah, one more bag. Let's see. Oh, apples. Gotta have apples, especially with my dates. I love dates by themselves. They're good and all, but they're next level when you eat them with apples. It's like caramel apples. I love it. And that is especially good for, let's say you're getting so hungry. When you get so hungry, you need really dense foods, and you start to crave like cooked foods, and you start to crave really, even more like dense fatty foods or whatever's around, just get in my belly, sort of thing. That really, I can still eat raw, and I can still fall back on that, even if I get like past the point of just wanting a smoothie or something. The dates and the apples, it's like fresh enough, but it's also dense enough that it really works for me. Oh my gosh, this celery smells so good. And I just want to show you, I got some tortillas for the boys. They were requested. I didn't get them earlier so they can make little taco burritos or whatever. So it'll be interesting. I think one of the reasons that I failed raw in the past, I don't necessarily think I was doing it right. Of course, I thought I was at the time, but also because I felt like I had to cook a lot for my kids. And now I'm to the point where, I still like to cook for my kids, but their tastes have changed. Also, they know how to cook a lot of stuff by themselves. So I think that might help me out this time, trying to go raw. And of course, I just got the Veggetti Pro spiralizer, because I'm like, if I'm going to be eating raw, I have had a vegetable peeler that has the flip side that also has it can make the noodles, but it takes a while and you can't get to the middle. And so I'm going to try out the Veggetti Pro. I might do a video for you guys. Let me know if you're interested. How many of these? I think I got 10 zucchinis. These are not organic, and I think they might be on the Dirty Dozen, but again, I had a situation where the produce the organics, they were small, they were wrinkly, and of course they still cost more. So, I'm not gonna do that. And I feel like I'm also gonna start moving away from buying like all stuff organic if I have to. I am a single mom. I still don't get any child support, 2 kids, all of that. So I just really feel like, and Dr. Doug Graham said before that he thinks that if you're not eating organic, it doesn't matter as much because it'll balance itself out. Like eating unorganic raw is better than eating all organic cooked, if that makes sense. So let me know what you think. I just wanted to show you guys that little haul, and I'll be excited to share with you my experiences, not only with going raw this time, but also with doing the celery juice and doing a little bit of the protocol of the medical medium. So again, I don't know that much about it. I just realized from Banana Blondie the reason why he labeled the whole thing the medical medium. I didn't realize it was a spiritual thing, so I'm not sure how I feel about that, if it makes me want to do it more or less, but I am really, really excited. Like I said, I can just feel this food like speaking to me energetically right now, and you may think that's really crazy woo-woo, but everything is energy condensed to a slow vibration. So whenever they take the, what is it, Kaplan pictures of this type of food, I mean, it's real. It's a real scientific thing that this food has more energy than, say, a dead, rotting corpse. Oh, God, I can't even think about putting that in my body right now. Anyway,